Sitting high and dry on an elevated 852 square metres in the heart of Westlake, this family home will tick many boxes. The indoor-outdoor flow makes this home a perfect choice for the growing family. I just love the ambience of this sunken lounge dining room. The modern kitchen and family rooms have seamless flow to the spacious outdoor entertaining area. Family gatherings are bound to be fun. The master offers a private balcony with sweeping views to the north. Just 15 kilometres or a 24-minute commute to the CBD, excellent shopping nearby, great schools and sporting facilities at your fingertips. This location has it all. This home won't last. I look forward to making it yours today.